Welcome back mga kaswak! Today we're diving into a Butuan Food Trip Showdown. Butuan City's Sports Complex versus the Butuan River Park. Two food venues, same city, same hunger, but different vibes. Let's find out which spot gives you the ultimate street food experience or if you actually need both. Tara! First up, Sports Complex, home of the Butuan City Food Vendors Association. Para kang nasa mini food festival every night. Sa dami ng stalls dito, pwede kang mawala sa choices mo at sa budget mo. Here we try the Chocoberry S'mores. Think chocolate meets strawberry in a Gen Z way. Then may Xiaolong Bao din.
Wow!
Freshly steamed dumplings na social tingnan pero street food ang presyo. And yes, may Choco Bao din.
Yummy!
Parang chocolate pillow. Syempre may halo-halo, perfect pang laban sa init. Tapos yung 10 yen mozzarella coin, cheesy, gooey, Instagram worthy. At hindi mawawala ang shawarma. Fast and filling. Ang dami naming nakain dito, pero si Wallet namumulubi na. Next up, Butuan River Park. Si Abhong Butuan, mas konti ang stalls compared sa sports complex, pero solid ang view.
Wow!
I mean, Agusan River at sunset habang kumakain, winner. Pero napaaga ang dating namin dito, kaya siguro wala pa masyadong stalls. Sa gabi na kami gagala. Here we try the taiyaki, the fish-shaped pancake with creamy fillings. Cute sa itsura, masarap sa lasa. Meron din palang smoking cream balls dito, pero di na namin na-try since na-try na namin to dati. At syempre, may iconic balangay photo op sa Raya Colombo, a replica of the ancient boat used by early Butuanans to trade with nearby regions. History plus food, it's the best combo. The real balangays discovered in Butuan date back to as early as 4th century AD, making Butuan a major maritime hub long before colonization. So, ano nga ba ang maswak sa'yo? Sports complex, mas maraming food options, budget-friendly at festival vibes. River Park, chill ambience, scenic view, cultural touch. But here's the thing, why choose one when you can enjoy both? Each venue has its own flavor, literally and culturally. And both celebrate what Butuan is all about. Great food, strong community, and rich heritage. Whether you're craving dumplings o sunset by the river, Butuan has you covered. Kaya next time, huwag lang isa, gawin mong food tour. Kita-kits sa susunod nating Butu Moments para for more.